My name is Rahiel Abraha from Ethiopia. I'm working on Mekelle University. I'm one of the Ethiopian higher education institutions. Right now I came to participate in Access Agriculture. Really it passionates me so far because I got a lot of practical works, how farmers and researchers link each other, and how we translate the scientific findings to our farmers using video or voice supported evidences to our farmers. So I just really, even I was postdoctoral researcher at Mekelle University from 2024 up to 2025. Last 1 month ago, I finished my commitment and I go back to my institution. So RUFORUM is for me really, it's passionate, helps women researchers to get a lot of experiences in research, in training, in making network across continent Africa, and I have many friends from across Africa, and we have also consortiums in developing proposal or projects call for Erasmus as well as intra-mobility. I'm one of among the consortium members to be developed or being a member at developing the draft proposal. So really RUFORUM supports African continent as a whole, and I'm really satisfied, and for the next time I have my plan to not only theoretically but practically I have to share my experience. I have to give something innovative technologies to transfer the knowledge to our farmers. So I think access agriculture, it's making me more also passionate to make my research finding and for the future to plan, especially in the script preparation, how we interview our farmers, how we record it and make film so that to distribute the video to other farmers, not only for Africa or for Ethiopia, but also across the world, even Asian, European or American. So this program really appreciate. Thank you so much for involving me as one of the participants in this special workshop time. Thank you.